mata dureen keenya kaaraan tanaa guyyoota torbanii jedha. Guyyoota torbanii wiixata, kibxata, roobii, kamiisa, jimaata, sanbata, dilbata.
Okay. Guyyoota torbanii wiixata, kibxata, roobii, kamiisa, jimaata, sanbata, dilbata.
Kan ilaal kibxata
Monday,
jettan kibxata.
the days of the week. The days
Saniifuu
of the week.
wiixata jechuun maali?
Monday.
Ayyee. Wiixata
Tuesday
mandee.
is Tuesday.
Ayyee.
Robbie Wednesday.
Roobii Wednesday'dha.
Kamis Thursday.
Kamiisa is Thursday, okay. Thursday.
Jimata is Friday.
Jimaata Friday. Ayyee.
Sanbata is Saturday.
Okay. Saturday.
Dilbata is Sunday.
Dilbata, okay. Sunday. Sii gala gaama guyyaan kun. Guyyoota torbanii guyyaa torbaa jira. Torban keessa guyyoota torbaa jira. Inni jalqaba wiixata, kibxata, roobii, kamiisa, jimaata, sanbata, dilbata jennaan jechuudha. Haala saniin erga laallee booda achi booda mee wantoota kanneen haalallu kuni
Okay.
dheengadda.
Ada
Dheengadda.
Kalesa Angada
Anas si dubbisa dhaggeeffadhu. Dheengadda, kaleessa, har'a, boru, iftaan.
Ingada
Dheengadda,
Kalesa Angada
kaleessa.
ya Kalesa Ara Boru Iftan
Dheengadda jechuun maal jechuudha?
before
Before what? The day before?
the day before today.
Not
The
today.
day after.
The day before
Day before
yesterday.
today.
The day
Oh.
before. The day before yesterday. Kalesso?
Yesterday.
Yes. Kales yesterday. Har'a?
Later.
Not later. Today.
I know later today.
Okay. Boru?
Ara is later. Boru tomorrow.
Yeah.
Isn't Iftan morning?
Yeah. Iftar is the day next to.
Afternoon. Afternoon, right?
No, afternoon. The day next to tomorrow.
Oh.
That's the
Day
day
next tomorrow.
next. The day next to tomorrow.
Okay.
Sigala gamma oggota kama irra deebi dubbisi.
Engada Kalesa Ara
Har'a.
Bo
Dheengadda kaleessa har'a
Hara Boro Iftan.
jedhe akkasitti.
The
Dheengadda
day before yesterday is Engada. The day yesterday. The day before yesterday.
the day before
Yesterday.
yesterday is dheengadda. Yesterday itself is kaleessa.
Reza is yesterday. Ara is today. Boro is tomorrow. Iftan the day next to tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly. Ayya amma suuta jedhi barreeffama kana dubbisii hubadhu waa deebisaa isaanatti. Ayya barreeffama as jiru kana dubbisii hubadhu.
Koyaan wiixata yoo ta'e boruun maal ta'a?
Ayya mee irra deebii bareechee dubbisi.
Ara koyaan wiixata yoo ta'e boruun maal ta'a?
Okay, har'a guyyaa wiixata yoo ta'e boru maal ta'a? Malta.
Kibata.
Now, what does the question says first?
Okay.
What does the question says?
So if today is Monday, what
Okay.
will tomorrow be?
Okay.
Yeah, it's Tuesday.
Exactly. Exactly.
Tuesday
It
is
will be
Kibata.
keep that, yes. Keep that, yeah, no, okay.
Kibata.
Continue. The next question. Keep going.
Aragoyan kamisiyota ekalesa maltore.
Okay. Har'a guyyaan kamiisa yoo ta'e, kaleessi maal
Robi,
ture?
Wednesday.
Maal ja'a gaafiin isaa maal ja'a?
Thursday, it would have been yesterday would have been Wednesday, and Wednesday is the Robi.
Eh, Saniifuu
Robi.
roobita sirriidha. Kataan
Aragoyani sanbata yota egoyan engada malture jimata.
akkami beekte? Akkam jee gaafiin maal jedhe dura?
Okay, Aragoyan sanbata yota egoyan engada. Oh, engada, yeah. Engada is yesterday.
No, Dengade is not yesterday. The day
Oh, the
before
day after
yesterday.
yesterday. The day before yesterday.
Yeah. The day before yesterday, okay?
But it was Kamis.
It was?
Kamis.
Okay. Yoo guyyaan har'aan tana sanbata yoo ta'e, guyyaan
Goyan
dheengaddaa jedhaa
engada
miti?
malture Kamis. Aragoyan sanbata yota egoyan engada Kamis.
Laal, har'aan tana
Kamis
sanbataa
ture.
miti? Har'aan tana sanbata. Har'aan
Yes,
tana sanbata
sanbata.
jechuun today is Saturday. If today is
Yeah.
Saturday, what was the day before yesterday? Yesterday,
Today was Friday, so it's Thursday. And Thursday is Kamis.
sirri. Saturday ta'a miti? Saturday in Oromoo maal jedhama in afaan Oromoo it is?
Kamis.
Kamiisa. Very good, Salman. Jabaatti afaan Oromoo professional ta'u jirta.
Yeah.
Miti?
Ah, siko be, dikishu beka. Oromo kuta taki an.
Haasa'u
Hasa'u hin barbadu.
hin danda'u jedhe. Hin barbaadu moo hin danda'u?
No hin dada. Hin no
Ayyee galatoomii Salman
eh
galatoomi.
galatum.
Boruu wal
Sisa.
agarra. Boruu wal agarra.
Haye.
Nagaan buli haa.